Hi everyone. Given the sample space, which gives the 36 equally likely outcomes when two dice are rolled, we're going to find the probability of each event. So for the first one, we're doing A, B, and C. So for the first one, we want the sum is 6. Now, notice on our sample space that I wrote out that there's 36. This is a 6 by 6, so that equals 36 total. All right, so the sum is 6. So that's going to be 6, 1, 5. Usually they're on the diagonals. So probability that sum is 6 equals 5 out of 36. Now sum is 7. So here's your 7s. As you're adding those two numbers up. So probability the sum is 7 is going to be 6 out of 36, which reduces to 1 divided by 6. And sum is 8. Here we go with the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probability that sum is 8 is 5 divided by 36. And you can't reduce that. So the next question is the sum is even. So for the even ones, sum is even. Let's look at this without having to draw it. The sum is either going to be, this is even, this is even, even. These are odd, odd, and it goes every other one. So basically half of them are even and half of them are odd. So you could just say 1/2, or you could do 18 divided by 36. Now sum is 12. So the probability sum is 12, which is there's only one. So I'll just put 6, 6. And that's going to be 1 divided by 36. And the sum is less than 12. That means everything but that one. So we could say that that's going to be the sum probability. A sum is less than 12. And you're just going to do 1 minus the probability of the sum equals 12, which is that. So that's going to be 1 minus 1 divided by 36. That can be written as 36 divided by 36 minus 1 divided by 36, which equals 35 divided by 36. All right, now the next one. The two die show different numbers. So for that one, let's look at the same number. Because it's going to be easier. The two die that show different numbers. The same numbers are these. So probability of same number equals 6 out of 36, which is 1/6. Therefore, the probability of different numbers is going to be equal to 1 minus probability of same number. We're using the complement principle. So that's going to be 1 minus 1/6, and that's going to equal 5/6. Remember these ones, just if you have a common denominator, just put 6 divided by 6 like that. All right. Now we want to show that the red die shows a greater number than the white die. And okay, I added the red die here thing. So this is your red side and this is your white side. So looking at this, the red die is greater. Let's write them all out. So we want the red greater than the white. So that would be 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, and then let's just circle this. So 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1. And then we want red bigger. So then we're going to get 3, 2, 2, and then we're going to have this one, and then this one, and then this one. All right, so when you add that up, it's a lot easier than writing all that out. You get the probability that the red is greater than the white equals, and if you count these out, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15 divided by 36. That also reduces to 5 divided by 12. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.